So court, everybody I know is here because they're interested in dun, 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 law and order, court. Because they love the drama. They love the drama. This was not really a huge hearing. Well, it kind of could have been because they were going after the motion to dismiss my second amended complaints. I have done an amended motion for leave to amend to do a third amended complaint, which I went through the entire motion to dismiss that they filed and adjusted my third amended complaint. And the reason why we didn't go forward through the motion to dismiss is because of course the attorney tries to always blame me for everything, but this was his fault. He didn't look at the docket correctly, and he put September 27th on it. Could I have gone through with the motion to dismiss? Yeah, I could have, but I didn't want to. So, at the end of the day, I wasn't prepared. I was prepared for a September 27th hearing, which was what was on the notice of hearing, and there's no hearing scheduled for September 27th, so we kicked that out until November 15th, and of course, they're going to be putting my motion to dismiss her counterclaims in there. So that's an evidentiary hearing, and therefore I've got a lot of work to do for my evidentiary hearing that's going to come up on March 15th, but I do feel like I'm going to be quasi-successful. I don't know. I think I got the punch for that one. I'm hoping to knock that completely out of the arena and bring all of her counterclaims to nil. That's what I'd like to do. Now, will that happen in a perfect world? Of course it'll happen in a perfect world, but we don't live in a perfect world. We live in a world of toxicity and evil people, much like the lady that I'm suing. So we'll see how that goes. That would be a great day if we can knock her counterclaims out of here and then just focus on what has been done to me. So now again, that's in a perfect world. We don't live in that perfect world. So it was semi-successful because I really didn't want to go through a motion to dismiss. I didn't want to go through the hearing for the motion to dismiss. I knew there wasn't going to be a whole lot to be done from the motion to dismiss anyways because we were both attending virtually. That means basically no evidence can be brought forward, nothing outside of the four corners. And quite frankly, the majority of the motion to dismiss wasn't legal sufficiency. It was arguing affirmative defenses and not anything that I don't have a cause of action because of XYZ. It's more, well, we need what's extreme and outrageous behavior. That's a matter for a jury to decide, not something that's legally insufficient at this state of the game. But I'm not going to argue my place here. That'll be argued on November 15th. So right now I'm working on getting a flight to and from. I really want to make it quick. So I can't imagine this hearing being more than 2 hours. So I'm literally flying in on the 14th, having my hearing on the 15th, and flying out in the evening of the 15th and making it back home. Like, I don't want to be there. Every minute that I'm that close to that woman, that's more things that can happen to me while I'm in the community. And that's one thing I don't want to. This lady's evil. She doesn't mind breaking the law. And she's already done some major damage to me that everybody is well aware she was a part of. So, for my own personal safety, because I do fear this lady and I fear what her audience is trying to do. I mean,